A very good evening, everyone. Myself, Priya, is back again with the Hindu editorial analysis on 17 September 2020. Okay, so we are going to discuss today's editorial that is from the Hindu newspaper. There are two articles in editorial session every day. First one is Stop Press, and the second one is New Order in West Asia. Firstly, in each and every article, we are going to cover the vocabulary part, and also I am going to give you the brief analysis of each and every article. Okay, first we will start with the first article, that is Stop Press. Courts must avoid omnibus orders against publication without actual risk of prejudice. Must avoid omnibus. Omnibus orders means omnibus means, so general, the meaning of omnibus is a book which contains, means a set which contains all the volumes, like that, huge. Court must avoid such omnibus orders against publication without actual risk of prejudice. Prejudice means a preconceived idea. Okay, prejudiced, in the word prejudiced there is a starting pre, means some before, so preconceived idea. A blanket gag order against the media is often fraught, means cause, with serious consequences for both free speech and the citizen's right to receive information. Orders by different courts restraining the media from reporting on particular cases or programs from being telecast. So they are restraining the media, like they will be telecasting some programs and like on particular cases. So what they are doing is they're restraining the media from reporting on particular cases or programs from being telecast. Have drawn attention this week to questions of prior restraint, media freedom, and the right of people facing investigation to a fair trial. A quite unusual, means it's not usual, and legally questionable decision has been interim, means middle, in between, order of the Andhra Pradesh High Court imposing a ban on the media and even social media from mentioning anything in relation to an FIR filed by the police against a former advocate general of the state and others. Okay, it is unusual in the sense that there appears to be no material to justify such censorship other than an allegation by the petitioner that it is a foisted case. So allegation, what is meant by allegation? Like saying something without having any proof. Okay, you will say false allegations and all this. If you say something without having any proof, you call it as an allegation. It is also accompanied by an order staying the investigation itself. It is indeed open to a high court to grant a stay on investigation in extraordinary cases. When political vendetta is alleged against the government of the day, that too by someone who had served a previous regime as a law officer, the need for media coverage and public scrutiny, means observation. We will observe, we are public, we will observe. That is nothing but public scrutiny. Public scrutiny is all the most greater. How the petitioner would benefit from the complete absence of any reportage is unclear. It prevents legitimate comment even to the effect that there is no substance in the allegation. If there is nothing in the allegation also, okay. Injunctions against publication can either be an order to prevent possible defamation. Defamation means reducing your name. Defame. Fame means getting name. Defame means opposite to that. Okay. Defamation or invasion of privacy, or one aim at protecting the fairness of a trial or investigation. The Supreme Court did hold in Sahara vs. SEBI 2012 that the court can grant preventive relief on a balancing of the right to free trial of free press. However, it favored such temporary restraint on publication only in cases of real and substantial risk of prejudice to the administration of justice or a fair trial. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court on the same day passed a more important interim order stopping the telecast of the remaining episodes of a series on Sudarshan News on entirely different grounds, holding that the program, 4 episodes were aired, was nothing but vilification of Muslims. So vilification means disparaging. Aired means that they were taken away. So vilification means abusing or disparaging. So disparaging means belittlement, making you seem little. That is nothing but vilification. Vilification of Muslims. The court found it necessary to interdict the telecast of more episodes. The court seems to have more made a distinction between freedom of expression and propagation of hate. In recent years, there have been quite a few instances, especially in Karnataka, of omnibus interim means temporary, okay, interim injunctions against all media houses obtained by some people solely means lonely, living aside or being alone to prevent any news reporting about themselves. While claiming to be defamed by one publication, they sue all media outlets and obtain open-handed stay on publications, including those that are hardly interested in writing about them. As a matter of principle, courts ought to avoid omnibus orders against publication. Such orders are often the detriment of the right to know, right? So we completed our first article, that is stop press, and I hope every one of you have understood this one, and I thank every one of you for watching this video. Thank you very much.